B3, 10 of them, B6, 5 of them. Put this one down. Well, that was a bit of a pain, but got him in now, which is very good because now this works. It works. Good. C14 and C15. This is 14, this is 15. What I can see, this needs to go this way in here, and this one needs to go this way in here. So push that in like this. G2, G11, F, F3 and F5. F5, F3. F3 going in. G1, F7, F7, and these are G9s, which little things have to go underneath. A8, E17, E18, and these are G9 times 4. Holding the arrow towards this way. Okay, we got A9, this is B20, E20, E19, B27. We got one G12 and two G9s. This I think goes into this slot here. Like this. A10, E21, E22 and G12. The thing is the picture shows that this should go like this, but it shows this to be right at the end and it's not. Okay guys, the procedure is the same. You find a piece, you put things together. So this is A11 and then you got E23, 24, G2, G9 two times and G12. So this is E23, E24 and the pieces that go into there, that's G12. So all you do is put it in. That's it. Let me just close that. So that's that one. Then I've got this one here, which is A12, E25, E and E26, and just G9 just goes through there, making that one. And I've got this one here, which is A13. The only thing with A13 is you have to hold it like that with the arrow pointing that way. And you got E27, which goes on that side, and E28, which goes on this side, G9, which is push up, and that's that one. This is a simple one here. It's A14, small one, E29, and G9 two times. So that's the E29. The thing with this one that you'll notice that it matches here all right, but this one is overlaying a little bit. That's that one. Continuing on with the rest of it now. Okay guys, I've done these as well here. This is A15, and then we've got E30, which is this one here, E31, which is this one here, and then you got two G9s and a G12. A G12 goes into this one, as far as I can make out. So that's that one. And then this one here is A16, big piece here, and then you got A32, which is this one, and E32 and E33, and we've got four G9s, so straightforward in them, in these things, and it's locked in. Okay, so that's that. This one here is A17, and then you got two E34, which is on top of this. This one is E36, and this one's E35, and two E34s go in there. So you got longer dowels in there, which is like G13 times 2, which is longer dowels inside there to hold these two down as well. And the other two is obviously G9 dowels, and that's that one. This one here, straightforward, A18, E37, which is this side here, and E38, which is this side, and G9 four times, which is the dowels going into there and there. Alright, I hope that explains it. So I did it off camera because it's easier, just get it done and over with. So next one is A19, which is this main part here, and then you got this one's E39, this one's E40, and same for the dowels in. And this one is the same way. It's A20. This one's E24, sorry, E42 and E41 for the dowels in, and that's done as well. Okay, we've got F4 here, and it's got a right and left, and the right's supposed to be on that side, as far as I can make out. We've got a B18, which goes in the middle like this. As far as it goes, I'm afraid. Weird. I should go further. There you go. B18, and then this goes that way, as you can see, and then you got these two B17s which go through the slot here, and they go through that inside there. Something like that. Okay, so we have B25 and B26. Basically, it just goes into it like that. and then I think the long side of this goes towards this way. So it's a calculated guess, like that, as you can see. Okay guys, so I had to take the camera off the stand to show you this. This is C17 right here, and it goes into there, which I'll be pushing down a bit later, down there, C17. Then you got this one here, which is C20 as far as I know, yeah, C20 should go in between that gap there, right there. Okay, this is C18, which will go down here, and this one B17 will go as a dowel into there, holding this upright like that. Okay, the other one is this one here, which is B32, goes into there. Okay, I think that's it for now. Each piece is marked. This one's X, this one is R, and this is M. And you'll find the X there, marked X. The X goes from there to the back there. I'm trying to just fix that on. The R goes from there to there, so it hooks onto this thing here, hooks onto there. And then this one somehow goes from there to there, like that. So fitted it, the arrow points that way over there, but you'll find there's lots of different size anyway to this one here. And this one fitted it, but you see this one here, this one I had to turn it around because the longer side was on that side and I couldn't fit it unless I turned it around. So yeah, so that's done. Okay, not 100% sure about this one here. I think it goes like that, but it twists here. I'm not sure if it's supposed to twist. And then this one just fits into there, and like that there. So we'll see when the marble comes down there, see if it actually drops in or drops down. If so, then we'll just put this flat, because there is a groove. There is a groove that it can go into. We'll have a look.